Hello everyone. Want to ride your motorcycle license in BC? Here's a first and simple guide to getting your motorcycle license. Whether you are a new driver or already have a class 5 motorcycle license. Anyway, sorry, class 5 license. So first you will need to pass the motorcycle knowledge test, and this is true whether you are a new driver or have a class 5 license. And also you need to study the learn to ride smart guide and book your test at an ICBC driver um, licensing office. So it is probably for the new as for new license. Anyway, then once you pass the test, you will get a class 6L or a class 8L license. For L stands for learners license, and depending on your driving history. This comes with restrictions like no night riding, no passengers, and the max speed is capped at 60 km per hour. And you must ride with a qualified supervisor. And next, you need to take the motorcycle skill test. So you need to go first go over the knowledge test. All right, then you'll have to take the skill test. Uh, the if you have a 6L, you can take it after 14 days, or you need to wait 30 days if you have an 8L license. All right, so keep these factors in mind, and or skip this test entirely by enrolling in a certified motorcycle school training school. They include the skills test in the course. So now you are ready for the road test. So based on your license, the road test will vary. If you are in the graduated licensing program, then take the class 8 test after 12 months, and then wait up another 24 months before going for the final class 6. And that's it. Start with the knowledge test to build your skill, then go or get into a um, licensed motorcycle training school, and then complete the test. And that's it. That's how you can get your motorcycle license in BC.